What's going on, everybody, and welcome back. Today we are going to fix our power steering problem with it very intermittent. It's like making a really loud like air in the system kind of sound. But we got the truck jacked up, and I forgot how intrusive everything is. I've got to move the ECU. It's only 3 bolts, but still a little bit of a pain in the butt. I'm gonna have to pull the radiator out so I can get the serpentine belt off, but it's down there. There it is, under the abyss of stuff right there. But we got our new guy right here. And I'm also going to change the reservoir because the reservoir leaks because it's plastic and it just sucks as it leaks. But let's just get started and see what all we get done today. Got the radiator to move out a little bit. I could move it more, but I think that'll be enough to get the belt off. We'll see. Serpentine belt's off. I think I'm just going to leave it right there for now. It's not in the way, so now we got to get our ECU cover off. Got the box kind of out of the way. Got the pressure line broke loose. We're going to let it slowly drain out the system, and then we'll take that line off and work on getting the pump out. Alright, it quit dripping. You got to pull this hose off. Your big hose coming off your reservoir. We got one bolt out. Got our third bolt out. Had to take my bracket out for the ECU box to get the pump out, but she's out. There's the old. Seems to be alright actually, but we'll get her changed out. And then here's the new. I'm going to delete this if I can. But we got to work on getting this nut off here and swapping it over. I thought I'd have to get a puller, to be honest. I'm gonna go with that crush washer. See if it leaks. Hopefully not. Too small of an O-ring. our big fill for the reservoir and our pressure line fitting with the copper washer on there. Hopefully it don't leak. I don't think these two would be as hard to change as the actual pump itself, but let's get it back in the car. Alright, I just realized about 20 minutes I wasn't recording YouTube things, you know what I mean? But give you guys an update since I didn't record. A little mad about it, but we got the pump in. All the bolts are tight, serpentine belt is on, and we got the radiator mounts and the radiator back in place where it needs to be. And now we're going to start. I think I can put this back together and then do the reservoir, so let's just do that. New day, and we're having to redo our bracket for our power steering reservoir because I got a different one because the other one was leaking out the top where the two plastic pieces meet. Anyway, show you guys what I made off camera. This is what we got. It's a two-piece. The bracket, I'll show you guys how it works together, but we'll go ahead and get her on and then hook up the hoses and bleed the system. It'll sit like this. We already got some holes already. I need to bolt this one up first, then take the bracket off because I can't get to this bolt once everything's on. Alright, now that we got that lined up, we can take these bolts out. They should fairly line up. Finessing on that bottom bolt. Then our bracket unbolts. Just like that, that'll stay. Then we'll grab our cleaned up new reservoir. That'll slide in just like that. Then the bracket I made, or the other side of the bracket, goes like bolts onto here. Got our 3 bolts in. Now we'll put these 2 in. Then I'll tighten it all down. Everything's on, everything's tight. Got fluid. But now, let's see if we can't get this to go down any. Start it up to see, hopefully we don't explode everywhere. all done. Back running, driving. Dusty. Very, very dusty. Power steering is done. There's no more whining. Thank God. And the steering, I don't know if it's because I'm at a stop. I need to take it down the road, but it seems a little tough. I don't know. I did do those bushings for the steering rack. That might help, but yeah. If you guys like, comment, subscribe. Until the next time, we'll see you later.